The fish will come, take it and go, no? So you won't get it.
പോലടാ നീ അത് കളയല്ലേ. Does he do this for a living? Asking. അല്ലല്ല വീട്ടിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയി കറി വെക്ക്. What?
Just to eat at home. Okay. Like for the living you cannot use this thing. Like you'll get very less. So or otherwise you'll get the net. You'll get a net. So in the boat they'll go. I told my uncle they used to do it. They didn't sell it, but they did for the fun of it. And you need to know how to, you know how the net works. Like the whole net towards the end there'll be some weight, okay? So basically when you throw, like imagine a cloth and imagine something circular. Imagine you have some stones tied it on all the sides. So when you throw, in certain way, like it will be open up. And when you go fall, it will go down, and when you pull it back, it will be closed. The fish will be inside.
It's beautiful. Not many houseboats come here, no?
Monsoon out season.
Yeah, it's off season also, no? Otherwise, season.
ഒടിഞ്ഞൊന്നുമില്ല ഉണ്ടായിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും.